Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies for 2nd November 2025, IDP and British Council. Before starting, join our Telegram group for daily speaking and writing updates, plus past exam reading PDFs and listening audios. Solve full listening practice tests on our YouTube channel. Visit our websites for latest cue cards, Band 9 essays and CBT mock tests. www.ielts1stop.com, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Speaking, cue cards and parts. Tips for 2nd November. Speak in a conversational tone, avoid sounding rehearsed. Use contrastive phrases like on one hand, on the other hand, however, nevertheless. Where possible, inject a short personal anecdote to make your answer memorable. Useful phrases you can include: looking back, I realize. What surprised me was, in that moment, I felt. Join our 1:1 IELTS speaking and writing classes. 7-day intensive, 1-month package. Free demo available. Likely cue cards, September to December trend. 1. Describe a skill you learnt recently. 2. Describe a memorable trip you took. 3. Describe a book that changed your perspective. 4. Describe someone who taught you something. 5. Describe a website or app you use daily. 6. Describe a gift you appreciated. 7. Describe a place you visited unexpectedly. 8. Describe a time you made a complaint that brought change. 9. Describe a film you watched and would recommend. 10. Describe a future goal you hope to achieve. Part 1 themes: trending, hobbies, online shopping, habits, travel, family traditions. Part 3 themes: the impact of digital media, lifelong learning, generational differences, cultural change. Band 9 speaking samples, www.ielts1stop.com. Writing, task predictions and advice. Writing strategies for 2nd November. Use varied sentence structures, mix simple, compound and complex sentences. Always include a counter-argument to show balance. End paragraphs with a mini conclusion sentence that links back to the thesis. In your academic task 1 predictions, line graph, population change or GDP growth, bar chart, energy consumption by source, table, education versus employment statistics, process diagram, waste recycling, water purification. Academic Task 2 High Probability Topics. 1. Some believe government should fund public transport over highways. Discuss both views. 2. The role of social media in shaping opinions versus misinformation. 3. Should older people be required to work beyond retirement age? 4. Advantages and disadvantages of remote education. 5. Is it more important to protect people's privacy or ensure security? GT letter predictions, requesting an extension for a utility bill, informing landlord about facility issues, writing to a company about service complaint, inviting a friend to an event and giving directions, seeking refund from an online purchase. Free Band 9 samples, www.ielts1stop.com. Reading, trends and themes. Reading tips for 2nd November. First, read the questions, underline keywords and scan for answers. For matching headings, pay attention to topic sentences. Allocate approx. 18 minutes per passage plus 2 minutes to check your answers. Likely academic topics: neuroscience and brain plasticity, global energy transition, the history of transportation, climate change and human adaptation, urban migration and city planning, the effect of music on culture. GT reading topics: travel and tourism brochures, local government announcements, volunteering opportunities, job advertisements, community health programs. Practice with real style tests, www.ielts1stop.com. Listening, expected sections, listening tips for 2nd November, predict whether the answer is a noun, adjective, number or phrase. Paraphrasing is key, like purchase is equal to buy, assist is equal to help. Watch out when speakers correct themselves or pause before changing answers. Likely pattern, Section 1, travel inquiry or booking. Section 2, community event or informational talk. Section 3, student discussion or project planning. Section 4, lecture on technology, psychology or environment trend. Solve latest listening tests on YouTube and CBT, www.ielts1stop.com. Final smart strategies: writing, keep arguments balanced and logically connected; reading, always highlight and revisit tough questions last; listening, be cautious with plurals, spelling, and singular plural traps; speaking, if you lose track mid-answer, take a short pause and continue confidently. Free resources to boost score: latest cue card PDF, www.ielts1stop.com; Band 9 essays and vocabulary, www.ielts1stopcbt.com; free CBT mock tests, www.ielts1stop.com. IELTS One Stop Community, Telegram group, join for updates and resources; Smart Prep, www.ielts1stop.com; free CBT practice, www.ielts1stop.com.